Let's talk about the mammalia. What is the mammalia? It is the one which produces the mammillary gland. Now, first, what makes an animal? The thing that makes an animal is known as their heterotrophic nature. We are not autotrophs. We cannot make our own food. We have to depend on other organisms. So we are heterotrophs, and that gives us our distinct character. Also, our cell wall does not appear. We do not have a cell wall to be told, in fact, but it is the anatomy of our body, right? Our nature is only the heterotrophic nature. Similarly, in animals, in chordata, we have animalia. What is in animalia? We have mammalia, right? So, what is mammalia? It is the one, it is the most smart, most complex, most diverse, and most evolved being in the animal kingdom. It is the most complex one, as you can see. So, what are the basic thing about it? First, the heart is on the ventral side. That's a pretty common one. Also, they have a complete alimentary canal. What is a complete alimentary canal? A complete alimentary canal is a canal in which the presence of mouth and anus both are there. So the intake and outlet are both present. That type of canal is known as alimentary canal, complete alimentary canal. So that's one of the character. Also, they can maintain their body temperature. So they are hemophiles, something like that. So they are able to maintain their body temperature. So they are warm blooded. Warm blooded is also their nature. Also, due to being warm blooded, their bones is always bony, but some part is cartilaginous. Some is there. Also, they have mammillary gland, which is known as very effective. Now, viviparous and omniparous, these are the two type of thing. Viviporous, I think. So these are viviporous because they give birth to literal being instead of the omnivores or omnipores, which give birth to the eggs, right? So that's the thing. Also, these animals have the outer ear because they are good listeners, and it is very necessary to have the outer ear. We will talk about this in the upcoming bit. And these type of organism have one thing in very common nature, their exoskeleton. And their exoskeleton is in the form of hair, nails, fur, etc. Also, they have digits. Digits have nails on them, and they are evolved. Their cranium is the most evolved, their brain is the most evolved. Also, their nature is pretty friendly as well. Since they are adapted to the nature, they are well adapted to everything. But their heart chamber is of four. But some do have two chambered or three chambered heart. Now, which have the two chambered? The fishes, they have two chambered hearts, and after the fishes, what comes? The amphibia, they also have two chambered, but the reptilia have three chambers. Yeah, reptilia has three chambers, and the aves have four chambers, and the mammalia also have four chambers. That's the thing, and it is very necessary to know all these things. Thank you.